Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn about doubles. Doubles mean anything which can be multiplied by 2 or which is 2 times. Today we are going to do doubles on 10 frame. Yes, we have done subtraction, addition on 10 frame. Now we'll do doubles on 10 frame. In the double on 10 frame, the top and bottom layer of this 10 frame have the same counters, same number of counter. If it have 1, and if we take one more, the same amount, then it make double of 1, mean double of 1 will be 2. So let's start. Doubles mean that anything which is in 2 times. Yes, like if I have 1 and if I add 1 more in this, the same amount, the same 1 and 1, then the double of 1 will be 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So double of 1 will be 2. Let's do this on the 10 frame. Okay, here we have a 10 frame and we have one counter here. We have to find double of this one counter. What it would be? If I take one counter more, does it make double? Okay, one counter here and the same amount on the bottom side. Yes, one on the top and one on the bottom. So 1 and 1 make 2. So double of 1 is equal to 2. Mean 1 and the same amount at the bottom, 1 make 2. 1, 2. So the double of 1 is equal to 2. It means that if we take 1 2 times, then 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So double of 1 is equal to 2. Let's do another question. Like if I have 2 and I want to take, or I want to know about the double of 2, then I'll add 2 more, the same amount. If I have 2, then I add 2 more, then it will become 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So double of 2 is 4. Let's do it on the 10 frame. Yes, here I have 2 counters. How many counters will add on the bottom side to make double of these 2? Yes, tell me. Okay, if I have 2 more counters, does it make double of 2? 2 on the top and also 2 on the bottom, the same amount, 1, 2. 2 on the top, 1, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom, 1, 2. So here the top and the bottom both are in same amount. Both the top counters and the bottom counters are same. So double of 2 will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. If I have 2 counters and I add 2 more, it will become 4. It means that double of 2 is equal to 4. Very good. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now I can tell easily that double of 2 is 4. Yes. Now jump to the 5 one. If I have 5, what would be the double of 5? if I have 5 and I add same amount, same digit, same number, then it would be give double of this 5. Yes, 5 plus 5 more is equal to 10. Yes, so double of 5 is 10. Let's do it on the 10 frame. Here I have 5 counters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many counter I will need to make the double of 5? Yes, it's too easy because I have same amount of the top and the bottom of 10 frame. Then I'll add 5 more, the same amount, 5 more counters on the bottom. Like if I have 5 on the top, then it must be 5 in the bottom to make double of 5. Yes, same amount, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. It means that the top and the bottom have same amount and it make double of 5. Yes, the top side have 5 and the bottom also have 5. So double of 5 is 10. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What comes after 5? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the total of all these make 10. Yes, I know my 10 frame is fully covered, so it make 10 counters. So I can tell easily that double of 5 is equal to 10. It's very easy to understand. I hope you can do it very better. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Mean if I have 5 and if I add the same amount, same number, if I plus same number, then it will make 10. 5 plus 5 make 10. So double of 5 make 10. Now keep practicing and solve this assignment in the Google Classroom. Here I have some 10 frames and some counters. You have to count. If I have 2 and I add 2 more, then what would be the double of 2? So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Very good. Now count all the counters in the 10 frame and complete these addition sentences. Thank you.